Hello buddies, for those of you asking me, okay, what will I make this Christmas? You have been asking me this, and I was like, and I've been like, okay, let me think of something I can show you guys to do. Then I came up with this. This is absolutely delicious. Let me tell you, if you make this and maybe you eat it or you give it to someone to eat and the person didn't ask you for more, then know that you made a mistake. You didn't get it very well. So let me show you how to make this delicious golden yam. This is called golden yam. So here I have my chopped onions, my spring onions, and my pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper. I have chopped them tiny, in smaller bits. Okay, then you keep that aside. Now you have here two eggs, two large eggs. Okay, now into these two large egg, you add those chopped or diced onions, pepper, and spring onion. Okay, you add it and then make sure you combine it very well. So once you're done combining it, you go in with baking powder, just a little bit of baking powder, like about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you add enough seasoning. Yes, add enough chicken seasoning. That will help to boost up the taste. Next, you go in with turmeric powder and some salt. Okay, don't add too much of salt so that let the taste balance so well, and make sure you mix everything so well. Once you're done mixing, you're going to keep that aside. Now get your yam that you want to cook. This is another way to top up your yam game. Like, you want to take your yam from 0 to 1000. So you cut it round. Make sure it's not too big. You cut it round and then you peel it, wash it, and next is to cook the yam. So to cook the yam, all you need to do is to add your water in a pot, add some sugar and some salt. And you're shouting, hey, why sugar? Yes, you add some sugar and add some salt. Then you put your yam, your washed yam, cover it and cook it thoroughly. Ensure that this yam will boil and cook very well, very soft. Then you take it off from the heat. Now add a little bit of oil. You don't need too much oil into your saucepan or to your frying pan. Just add a little bit of oil into the pan. Okay, then you get one of the boiled or the cooked yam, put it inside the sauce or inside the egg mixture, coat it so well just like this, and drop gently into the oil. Okay, make sure that your oil is on low to medium heat. You see that you saw when my hand just reduced the heat of the gas. That's how it's supposed to be. So once you put it in the oil, let it just fry the underside a little. Then you're going to scoop in some of this oil on top of the coatings on the top, so that it's not going to pour out when you want to turn it. So once you're done pouring the oil for a little while, then you gradually turn it over. Okay, so you repeat the process with the rest of the yam. Put it in the egg mixture, then gently coat it and then gently drop it inside the oil. Once you've dropped it, then use the hot oil to sprinkle or spray it, or pour the hot oil on top, so that the top is going to dry up or fry a little, so it will not pour out when you want to turn it. Then you gradually turn it over after a few seconds and then let it fry for another few seconds. You don't fry it for too long so that it will not go and brown or over brown. Eggs doesn't take long to fry. So once it's just fried on the other side, you turn it to the other side and let the other side just fry a little. You turn it over again, just few seconds. It doesn't take time. Okay, few seconds, you are done. Okay, so the remaining eggs mixture I just added a little bit of flour to it and a little bit of water, and then I fried it. I just fried it. That one is just an added something, just a different thing altogether. It's not part of the whole stuff, but I just want to show you guys what I did with the remaining sauce. In case if you are thinking of what to do with your remaining mixture, that is what you can do with it. Okay, so it's super easy and simple. So once I was done frying everything, this was what I got. Oh my goodness, this tasted absolutely delicious, guys. I need you to try this, and make sure when you try it, let me know in the comment section how you turned out for you, or you can just tag me on your video, on your posts when you try it. Trust me, this Christmas you're going to enjoy it with your family and friends.